In terms of the scale of the persecutions, the methods of genocide, from mass extermination and deportation to contemptuous discrimination and defamation of the entire people as a nation of criminals engulfed by a suicide complex, the fate of the Chechens can be compared only with the fate of the Jews. But if the Jews, in their 1,000-year struggle for survival, have managed to arrange matters in such a way that the whole world reacts acutely and sensitively to any manifestation of anti-Semitism, no matter where it comes from, the Chechens have not yet succeeded in that. The world knew nothing about them and, worst of all, was completely uninterested in them. Kafirs, Zulus, Australian Aborigines, and even, forgive me, Canadian SEALs, when they were threatened with extermination or their civil rights were being infringed, evoked more emotion in the Western world than the tragedy of the Chechen people, which had already lasted 200 years. Ilya Bunic.